Hello everyone. My name is Pranav Pillai and I'm a third year student in the integrated BSc MSc Biomedical Science program at Navratna University. My journey up until now has been extremely transformative and the curriculum here is meticulously designed to bridge theoretical knowledge with practical applications covering diverse fields such as molecular biology, microbiology, toxicology and pharmacology, bioinformatics, biotechnology and much more. We have gained hands-on experience in cell culture techniques, molecular techniques, toxicological studies, and a lot more. This has enhanced my understanding of complex biological systems as we have also got the opportunity to work on animal models such as Drosophila and zebrafish. The faculty here is extremely supportive and approachable, and they are also the experts in their own fields. This has been instrumental in nurturing my academic and professional growth. Their mentorship has deepened my passion for biomedical science and also instilled a sense of confidence in me to face the world and also a lot of curiosity to ask more questions and learn more. Navratna has provided a holistic approach towards education by not only focusing on academic excellence but also on personal development. The vibrant campus life here, with a lot of events and extracurricular activities, has enriched my university experience by making it a perfect blend of learning and fun. Whether it is delving into bioinformatics research or into pharmacological studies, Navratna University has truly been a place where I have not only gained knowledge but also forged lifelong friendships and cherished memories. Thank you.